Rhythm is joining us, our legal editor, on this big story. How do we explain the entire situation in court? What has happened today in the civil court?
Let's tell our viewers this is a huge victory coming in for Republic TV, as the City Civil Court in Mumbai has absolutely rejected to give any sort of relief to Hansa that had moved there. Let's tell you what's happened. There has been an ad interim injunction that Hansa wanted that has been rejected by the City Civil Court. Mr. Praveen Gandhi appeared for Republic TV and Arnab Goswami along with Phoenix Legal. We had Madhuri Doshi there. And now the matter has been posted on 25th of November. Let me tell you the breaking news that's now coming in. Hansa had moved the court asking for an immediate injunction to Republic TV from its right to broadcast the Hansa report. No injunction has been granted against Republic TV. In the several victories that we have been getting in the court, this is another huge victory coming in where Hansa had wanted an injunction, but our counsel, Pradeep Gandhi, argued on our right to broadcast, and the court, taking it into consideration, has said there will be no interim injunction from Republic TV using that Hansa report in its broadcast. Our counsel also said that there is an absence of jurisdiction and maintainability of the suit, so a huge victory. Keeping the technical aspect aside for Republic TV that's coming in as Hansa's plea in the City Civil Court in Mumbai is rejected, we can continue with our right to broadcast. That is the most important right under Article 19(1)(a) that Republic TV and media channels have. And today the City Civil Court upholds that by not allowing Hansa to ask for an injunction order against Republic TV.
Well, Rhythm, if you can delve into more details, especially when it comes to the channel's rights to broadcast and what has been said really now that the matter, as you've been saying, has been posted to a next date. But when it comes to the channel's maintainability and its right to broadcast, especially in such a sensitive matter, what has been said?
So let's tell our viewers that as we are giving you these details, what has happened in the court is there were arguments that were held from both the sides. The City Civil Court had been moved by Hansa asking for the restraining order and injunction against Republic TV. But the big victory that has come in is the City Civil Court has rejected this particular ad interim injunction to be given against Republic TV. In the courtroom, our counsel Pradeep Gandhi very vociferously argued along with Phoenix Legal. The City Civil Court was expressed and clearly told that this is our right to broadcast. There is an issue of maintainability and jurisdiction of the taking all this into mind as the matter will be once again heard on 25th November. The news that is a huge relief for Republic TV is that there is going to be no injunction on using the Hansa report. If we really try and put this into perspective, an FIR was put on 6th of October by the Mumbai police. On 8th, the press conference is done by Paramveer Singh. All this is on the basis of a Hansa report that Republic TV had accessed. This Hansa report clearly says that Republic TV was not even involved. Another channel has been named. So this is very crucial evidence in our fight for justice and trying to understand what investigation needs to happen here and what the real truth behind the intent of Paramveer Singh was. It is not only about a victory in the City Civil Court that we today, but the larger picture. Every intent of the Maharashtra government, the Mumbai police, Paramveer Singh to try and put Republic TV in a corner by putting out false, magnified allegations against us is being crushed systematically by the courts also when they say that the Hansa report injunction cannot be granted. Also remember, if you actually put this into perspective as the next date of the year is coming, we have the right to broadcast. So whether it's an email, whether it is a document that is helping us in our pursuit of truth, the court clearly upholds that Republic TV does have the right to broadcast.